Good day everyone and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. If you want to tap to pay with PayPal using your Android phone, the rules have shifted. You can no longer link a bare PayPal account in most regions. Instead, you need a physical or virtual PayPal card. And in order to begin, since the direct account linking is mostly retired, the gold standard now is the PayPal Business or Personal Debit Card. And you can register for the card, as you can see here on this page. Then, guys, open your Google Wallet app and go to the Add Wallet. So as you can see, we have add the payments method. Enter your PayPal card details manually or scan the card. Also, this year, this card acts as the bridge. It pulls funds directly from your PayPal balance or linked bank, but tells Google Wallet it's a standard MasterCard, making it 100% compatible with every store. And now, for instance, if you are in Germany or had a legacy account in the US, you might still see a PayPal option under the Add Payment Method. So you just tap PayPal and log in through Secure Pop-up. If you're in Germany, you have until March 31, 2026 to set up new connections. After that, Google is moving everyone toward the card-based system. And once added, you can tap your PayPal card in the wallet. So you go back and go to Wallet and make sure to tap Make Default for contactless. And sorry guys, not here, but in the Google Wallet you need to do that on the phone. And you'll likely need to do a quick text to verify security check. Once you see the blue check mark, you're ready to tap and go at grocery stores, pharmacies, or transit biometrics. And this is how you keep using PayPal in a Google Wallet world. If this guide helped you, like and subscribe.